Hello again. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, I love bird baths. I love watching the birds play in the bird baths. And again, having birds in your garden is a great way to have an organic garden because these birds will deal with all the bugs and pests. You know, I haven't used pesticides for 20 years. But the problem is the bird baths get filthy. So how do you clean the bird baths? Here's how you do it. Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to show you how to clean a bird bath in a healthy, safe way that's safe for the birds. All right, so here's my bird bath. It's just a saucer on a pot. It's really kind of dirty because, you know, it's just the way things are. Bird baths get dirty. So the great advantage of this kind of bird bath is that I can lift the whole thing off. All right. So, step one, drain the bird bath. Now you can kind of see it's pretty dirty. Lots of algae, all kinds of messy stuff in there. So we want to take everything out of the bird bath. Now, by the way, in case you're wondering why I have these rocks in here, I have these rocks in the bird bath so that when bees fall in, they can climb up onto the rocks to easily get out. Otherwise, you have drowned bees in the bird bath. A viewer actually gave me this tip, and it's a great tip. So I have these rocks to help the bees get out. But we got to clean all those too. So, drain the bird bath. He's getting all the rocks out. So here we have the bird bath. Lots of algae. So next we want to use a nice little scrub brush and scrub all this out. So we're scrubbing. Now, I'm not done scrubbing, but what I'm going to do is make sure to rinse this with a solution that's 9 parts water, 1 part vinegar. So, if you're bad at math, like me, the way to figure this out is you take a 1 gallon of anything. Could be an old water bottle, or in this case, apple juice. So this is 1 gallon. Put 2/3 of a pint of distilled vinegar in it. Mix it together, and here's your rinsing solution. The vinegar is a good algicide that is safe for the birds. All right, so we're going to use this vinegar solution to kind of rinse the bird bath. And again, we're just kind of scrubbing. By the way, in case you're wondering why I have gloves on, these bird baths do get a lot of bird poop on them. So I want to just kind of keep myself relatively clean. Makes cleaning up for me easier too. So some easy gloves too. All right, so almost done. Almost got all the algae off of this thing. All right. Rinse it really good. Got some bees around here that want to have their bird bath back. Now, it's also important when you're cleaning that you don't forget the rock that sits in there too. Give that a good scrubbing as well. Green grass. Come on, bee. I'll get it booked together soon enough. Again, want to scrub the little rocks that the bees use to land on and escape. Get the algae off of there. All right, got it mostly scrubbed. Want to rinse it with the vinegar a little bit. It's looking good. Looking good. Oh yeah, this is going to be a nice looking bird bath. All right, dump it out. All right. Got all the algae out. One last rinse with the vinegar solution. And again, for a 1 gallon bottle, you want to use 2/3 of a pint of vinegar and then fill the rest with water. All right. Now it's time to rinse with the garden hose. All right, nice and clean. We're gonna let that completely air dry before we refill it with water. All right, guys, our bird bath is nice and clean. Time to put it all back in place and fill it with some water. By the way, another good thing about bird baths, a good idea for bird baths, is to place them right close to a shrubbery, because that way the birds can escape into the shrub if they feel threatened by anything. So it makes the bird bath a little dirtier, but it makes the birds a lot happier to be able to have a refuge in the bird bath. All right, time to put the coins in. And refill the bird bath. To enjoy. And there you have it, a nice clean bird bath, so the birds can be happy and healthy and help you rid your garden of bugs and pests and all those kind of things. That, and along with my bird feeder, I have a lot of birds in my garden, and they help get rid of all the nasty bugs. That's kind of a cool way to do some organic gardening. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.